Hey everybody, Blaise here, and I'm super excited to announce that we at Creature Art Teacher have put together our very first live workshop to take place this July just outside Manchester, England. Now, because it's our very first workshop, we wanted to do something really unique and super special. For 5 days and 4 nights, up to 20 guests are going to be joining both me and Ronnie Williford in a real English castle. After you arrive, myself and Ronnie are going to be taking you all over the grounds, different locations, and teaching you live drawing and painting demonstrations. This includes painting stunning landscapes, drawing massive, centuries-old castles, and also drawing wildlife live and in person. We'll also be doing some sightseeing and have a few surprises in store as well. Now, Ronnie and I will be working alongside you and provide personalized one-on-one instruction each day. And each night, we'll have a chance to review the work and provide feedback. But that's not all. Once you arrive on the site, all of the day's meals, lodging, and transportation are all included. We're going to get to break bread together and eat, sleep, and breathe art. We will be staying at the absolutely stunning Peckforton Castle, which is just about 30 minutes away from the Manchester Airport in the English countryside. The place is absolutely beautiful and the landscapes are breathtaking. We'll also be visiting nearby Tatton Park. This gorgeous estate has streams, fields, and hundreds of free-roaming wild deer that we'll be able to draw from just a few feet away. Now, you must be at least 18 years old to participate, and you must be in good enough physical condition for some light hiking and walking. Now, we're going to have more information soon, but sign up today at creatureartteacher.com and take full advantage of our special early bird pricing. Now you have to hurry because slots are extremely limited and the prices are going to go up as we get closer to the dates. So I really hope you can join me, and this time, let's go put some beauty back into the world together.